I've got a lot of open space up there in the sky, and I've got 2 big beams that need to go up. I've got them painted, a couple coats, they are ready to go. This one is on a wheeled cart at the end because I think I'm gonna pick this end up and do something with it, and I want that end to be able to move. Okay. All right, come on, Jaimie. You've lifted heavier things than this before, into weird positions. Don't pass out! Don't pass out! Don't! Ah! Don't move. Okay. Don't shake. Crap, I can almost just do it with my hands. Oh, I better grab this. I gotta say, it's really nice having the second floor here now. Last time I did this, there was nothing up here. This is strong, right? Yeah, it's strong. Oh, great, my wheels are stuck on something. Almost forgot I had this thing here. So I don't want to go up, start pulling this up with a rope when it's at this much of a slope, in case it slides off the railing up there, because I'm going to be pulling it in this direction. So I'll get it up to here at least. Yeah. You know, I can feel it in my back a little bit. I want to make sure I don't strain anything. I've got a whole other one of these to do. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's stuff. Okay. Now stuff. Beauty. Oh, this is going great. Oh, so far. Don't get excited, Jaimie. Okay, that end goes up on top of that sucker, and this end goes right up here. And there's a big blob of concrete here from, I mean, I'm sure it got dropped on when I was doing the roof. It's funny, most of these are pretty good. All right, I gotta chisel this off. I gotta say, I'm quite excited to get the trampoline up on this floor. I haven't had a trampoline in my house in, too long. Way too long. Come on, easily. Yes. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, good. I was hoping that was gonna come off in a big chunk. Holy windy outside. All right, let's go back in. So between the wood and the concrete, I want to put some rubber. I don't have a ton of choices right now. And I want to do that, you know, partly just for shock absorption, probably mostly for shock absorption. There's going to be a lot of jumping up on that floor. I don't need to be cracking the concrete. It'll also absorb some of the sound, hopefully. And if I put something that squishes in there, it'll like fill in all the voids so it doesn't become little bug houses. You know, when you have little tiny spaces ants can get in there and you can't get them out or whatever. So my two choices are this, which came out of I don't know what. It's very hard rubber. It's harder than I would want. The other option is this. And these aren't like the cheapest floor tiles, but they're also not the greatest ones. There's a top layer of rubber that's pretty hard, and then the rest is fairly squishy. They make it for gyms and stuff. It was on sale, so I got a bunch. So I could cut up one of these. I think that's what I'm gonna do. This board is the right width. Not exactly sure on the length, but maybe I'll just make it the same as the width. And then by the time I get to the second one, I'll know exactly what the right length will be. Yeah, it should be about the same as the width. I'm also doing the heavier of the two beams first too. So the second one will be easier. Yeah, that's all right. Oh, no fault. All right, camera, I'm sending you up. How's that top surface look? Is it pretty flat, hopefully? Well, looks pretty good. All right, that's like maximum extension. I need a couple boards. Should be good. Lift me up just a little bit. All right, Jaimie. Either you can do this or you can't. So let's go. All right, one more. Let's just go for it. Okay, I remember to bring my boards. Come on! Hurry up! Yeah! Okay. Oh, that's some good stuff. Oh my God, it's beautiful! Oh, that is awesome! Oh, that is so good. Oh, and the other one is hopefully a lot later. Maybe I'm just some weird architectural nerd, but man, that looks gorgeous. Oh, that looks so strong. That is so good. All right, we have to slide it that way a bit because it's overhanging this way more. Not a big issue or anything. I wasn't expecting it to go up perfect when I got it up. All right, needs to go that way. I think the other one is about to here, so it needs to go that way about that much. Yeah, good enough. All right, I put that in, I don't know, somewhere near the right. Jeez, maybe I have to move it that way a bit. I want it to fall off that dowel when it gets to the right spot. I don't know. I can always do it again. Let's see how that goes. All right, got my little crowbar here. Should be able to move this. How do I? Nah, this is not the way. Wait, if I do it like this. Yeah. Came off. Nope. That's not more space. Okay. Now that is dead on. All right. second one. That's not working. God! Oh, whoever said the second one was lighter was full of crap! That second one only took about 10 minutes to get up there. I think the first one took like half an hour. Yeah! All right, next up, the poles, the ship masts. And I trimmed the top of that one so it's all flush. And I've got some things I want to do here. I don't want the top edge of this to like start digging into the wood, you know, every time someone's jumping around up there. So I think this goes on top of there, and then there'll be a piece of that rubber again on top of that. And then, I don't even know if I need this big, but this one, I don't know, maybe this one's all right how it is. It's definitely spreading things out a lot more than that little edge the other one has. But yeah, maybe I'll use part of that. Just put a strip on here just to spread the weight out a little bit.
Yeah, but I called it the cave first.
Oh, shut up, you guys.
I'm watching the pole so I can have it starts moving.
I think he can tell if it starts moving.
Dude, this is way easier with scaffolding than it was the first time I did this.
Yeah, how'd you even do it the first time?
I remember holding these like, oh!
That scaffolding actually only holds.
Oh, did I climb up the scaffolding? All right. Climb up the scaffolding.
Yeah, climb up the scaffolding.
Push it over.
All right, I gotta focus now. Then if it starts falling, oh wow, that's not good.
Oh, that is way too high.
Yeah, that's way too high. Now, I don't know if it's because that's sagging, or this needs to be shorter. I can go look though.
Shorter.
Probably sagging.
Well, if it's sagging, I can find a way to push it up. But if this needs to be shorter, I need to take it down and cut it. It's gonna be annoying, but whatever. Yes, this is the third time I've taken this thing down, trimmed it so I can put it up again. All right. I'm getting really good at putting it up now, though.
Is it straight?
Oh, yes. So straight. Nobody touch it. Don't move it at all.
Can we climb it?
Yeah. Go ahead and climb it. Just don't touch it. But you can climb it.
Okay.